Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys where you can find the tern in Heartopia. So you'll need to be level 7 of the bird catching hobby, and the weather needs to be rainbow, and it is located on the East Sea, but it also could be on any seaside for some reasons. It is a little bit difficult to get, I've heard from some other people, but I was lucky and it landed in front of me, and that is what the bird looks like. It will spawn all day, but again, it has to be rainbow like the weather, and you're just going to scan that um when you find it. So this is what the tern looks like again. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. Also,